Everyone, take the hairs and make the plaits on small sections. Now fix the stick on the back. Now take the hairs and then roll it on the top like this. Tie it and fold it for a few more times as shown in the video. Fold it on the top one by one from the other side as well in the hairs. Tie it around the stick and fix it till the end. Now divide the hairs into two parts. Take the hairs and then fix them on the alternative side. So roll it around the hairpin or the hair stick to make a tight bun on the top. Now after folding it, take another section of the hairs and fold it on the alternative side like this on the top in the same manner. Fix it till the end after rolling it and put the hairpins like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take a ponytail or just take the hairs first and make a high ponytail like this. So now take the hairs and make a high ponytail as shown in the video. Now after tying the hairs on the top, make a tight and high ponytail as we are doing here. Now fix the hairs properly as shown. Now tie it on the top using the garter properly. Now after fixing the hairs on the top tightly, we'll be making a bun. So for that, we'll be taking the stick like this. So after tying it, stretch the hairs properly and it's done. Next, moving on to another hairstyle, take the hairs on the sides, make the plaits. Fix this cap on the hair and then take the ribbon on it and tie the hairs using it like this on the top. Fix it tightly and carefully as we are doing here in this video. Now fix it and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. So now moving on to another, we will be taking the hairs like this and fix the stick in the between. Now after that, take the hairs from the sides, roll it around the hairs like this. Roll it one by one around the hairs or around the stick like this on the top to make a tight bun as we are doing in this video. Now after making the tight plaited bun on the top, you can fix all the hairs in the same manner or leave few section on the downside. So now we will be taking all the hairs and fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving on to another hairstyle, make the plaits in the one single section of the hairs and fix the stick. Now divide the hairs like this and then fold it upward and roll it around the bun stick like this. So fold it on the alternative sides one by one as we are doing in this video. Fix it till the end. Now after tying all the hairs in the same manner, fold it and tie it on the top tightly like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching our video.